Hi, my name is Roger Priest, and I'm a local attorney here in Vancouver, Washington with Vanois Legal PLLC, where I practice criminal defense. Today, I'd like to answer a question that I often receive, which is, will a domestic violence conviction cause me to lose my gun rights? The answer to that is it depends. In many instances, getting a conviction for a domestic violence criminal charge will result in losing your firearm rights, but it does not happen in every single case. Understanding when and why is important to understanding whether or not you should plead or negotiate your domestic violence charge to another charge or to plead guilty to that charge. What you need to understand is that it is not allowable in Washington for any person convicted of any felony to possess a firearm. So first and foremost, if you've been convicted of a crime, domestic violence charge, or otherwise, of any felony charge, you will be prohibited from possessing a firearm. And if it's not a felony, there are several domestic violence charges that will cause you to lose your firearm rights. Most common of those is assault in the fourth degree. Any other assault in Washington is a felony, but misdemeanor assault, the only misdemeanor assault is assault in the fourth degree. So if you are convicted of assaulting a family member or a loved one in the state of Washington, and you ultimately are convicted of that assault with the domestic violence tag, you will lose your firearm rights. Other criminal charges, domestic violence criminal charges that will cause you to lose your firearm rights include coercion, stalking, reckless endangerment, criminal trespass in the first degree, which is criminal trespass where you unlawfully enter the residence of a person, violating a no contact order that ultimately prohibits you from entering someone else's residence, harassment, which is under Washington law, threatening to harm or kill someone, and violating the terms of certain civil protection orders that can be issued by the court. And ultimately, in those cases, the particulars of how that protection order went into place, what procedural steps were taken can be very important in deciding whether or not you actually have lost your firearm rights. So ultimately, each and every case is different. There are many domestic violence criminal convictions that will not cause you to lose your firearm rights, but those specifically enumerated crimes will cause you to lose your firearm rights. And in Washington, you can apply to have your firearm rights restored after a term of waiting period. So if you have lost your firearm rights, or if you're facing a criminal charge for which you are worried that you may lose your firearm rights, it pays to talk to an experienced criminal defense attorney. So give us a call here at Vanois Legal. I'd be happy to discuss your case with you and help see if there's anything I can do to help your case. Thank you and have a nice day.